Hi, this is RP. In this video, we'll see how we are to trade tomorrow, that is 29th March 2022. So this is a Nifty daily candlestick chart. Today we seen a decent rally from the lower levels. So as we expected, from 17,000 is a good support area. From there, it went up to 17,222 today closing. So in previous video also, I explained 17,000 as got a significant amount of put writing, so that level will act as a decent support. So now the high resistance at 17,400 and 17,500. On the downside, 17,000 again has got a decent support. Below that, 16,930. Now we'll see what are the important zones for trading purpose. So these are the spot levels for Nifty. Demand zone at 17,027 to 17,003, and below that 16,862 and 16,840, and supply zone 17,273 to 17,292, and 17,410, 17,445. These are the demand and supply zones for the Nifty for the coming days. Next, we'll see the Bank Nifty. Today, Bank Nifty also given a decent support in the lower levels. Today, around 35,000, it taken a decent support and closed 35,710, almost 700 points from the lower levels. So now the high resistance is at 36,000. Above that, 36,500. The momentum is little bit positive, but overall market, we can say it is a range bound trading market. So next we'll see the zones. So these are the demand supply zones for the Bank Nifty spot. Demand zone 34,882, 34,700, and below that 34,432, 34,220. And higher side 35,880 and 36,060 is the supply zone 1, and next supply zone is 36,522, 36,830. Now we'll see the momentum stocks. Adani Ports, demand zone 728 to 723 and supply 745 to 750. So our trade idea will buy in demand zone at 728 to 723 zone and keeping a stop loss below 720, aiming for a target of 745 to 750. Adani Ports, simple trade plan. So this is a DLF, demand zone 350 to 355 and supply 374 to 377. Our trade idea is we'll buy in demand zone, keeping a stop loss of 348 below and aim for a target of 374 to 377. Simple trade plan. This is buying area, this is our stop loss, and this is our profit taking area. So next, one more stock. This is Tata Chemicals, demand zone 925 to 930 and supply 985 to 980. So our trade plan is very simple. We'll buy in demand, we'll book profit in supply. So 925 to 930 zone is our buying zone and keeping a stop loss below 920. So for Nifty Futures, tomorrow's trading, the 29th March 2022, will buy above 17,315 and sell below 17,145, keeping a stop loss of 0.25% and aim for a target of 40 to 50%. Next, we'll see the Bank Nifty Futures also. So Bank Nifty Futures for tomorrow, that is 29th March 2022, will buy above 35,880 and will sell below 35,570, keeping a stop loss of 0.25%, aiming for a target of 150 to 200 points. Simple trade plan for Nifty Futures and Bank Nifty Futures, and also the stocks I explained. So tomorrow's video we'll see some more stocks and Nifty, Bank Nifty trade plan. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.